Usaha ang atong mapaabot sa mga bagong episodes sa food and lifestyle program sa GMA ang Taste Buddies. Sayran ta kauban si Kapuso host and actor Gil Cuerva. Maayong buntag, Gil, and welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Thank you for having me again on GMA Regional TV Live. I think it was a couple of months ago, no, when we last had an interview or something like that. So it's great to be back.
And it's so good to have you once again sa morning program natin dito sa Cebu. How have you been? What are you up to these days?
I've just been trying to stay busy. I've been trying to find new hobbies to do or to get into. Recently, I've been collecting old toys and repainting them. So that's a hobby of mine I've been getting into. But aside from that, I guess just trying to stay active din and busy and try to keep my brain moving and flowing and stuff like that.
Talking about living an active lifestyle, for now, what's your workout routine ba ngayon sa bahay?
Well, dito sa bahay, so usually I just try to work out 3-4 times a week. And then meron kaming like spinning bike or like a stationary bike, that I hop on to just to get my legs working and to get a good sweat. It's about how many times you do it. It's really consistency. Kasi at some point, no, you'll stop seeing progress with your body. So, mawawalan kayo ng gana to continue working out. So, staying in shape is about still doing it despite having bad days or days where you don't see growth. Kahit nahihirapan ka pa or anything, at least, you're still working out. And that's how, you get better. And that's how you stay in shape. Just by working out more.
Totoo talaga yan. True. I feel the same way. Parang stagnant. So I feel not motivated. Oo, di ba? Kaya for me to feel motivated, and I'm sure yung mga viewers din natin, kaya nanonood sila ng mga bagong episodes nyo sa Taste Buddies. Kasi this show has been very helpful. Oo, your show has been very helpful to us, sa mga kapuso natin. Kasi nga marami kayong binibigay ng mga tips, di ba? So tell us more, Gil, what's in store for our viewers sa mga fresh episodes nyo sa Taste Buddies?
Now, in Taste Buddies, meron kaming something called Team Gala and Team Bahay. So, you can tell Team Bahay, that's what's at home, kung ano yung pwede niyong gawin or pwede niyong ayusin sa bahay. For the past couple of episodes, si Solen yung naging Team Bahay. Ngayon naman sa Team Gala, which for the past couple of episodes, ako yung in charge, no? We're the ones naman on the field, out of town, or to wherever location it is, doing certain activities or having that adventure with the objective of giving a slice of the outside world to the Kapuso viewers at home. No?
This Christmas, Gil, what are you planning to have for Noche Buena? And ano yung mga food that you can recommend para sa mga viewers natin na pwede nilang ihanda for their families?
Couple of Christmases, meron kaming paletsyon, no? But I don't think we're gonna do that now kasi di namin mauubos yung whole lechon. But I guess my mom cooks really good kalyos. Kalyos is a Spanish dish. So it's like a family recipe na talaga.
So please invite our viewers sa mga bagong episodes nyo and why they should watch Taste Buddies.
So mga Kapuso, you can catch me and Solen Husaf on Taste Buddies. We have fresh new episodes for you guys. We're catering to the new normal and we hope you guys can catch it on GMA News TV at 8:45 p.m. every Saturday.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.